All right, you guys, so I just want to go over the app real quick. On this app is basically you have the cooktop and you have the oven. The app is mainly for the oven. As far as the cooktop goes, y'all know everything is manual up here. But the best thing about the cooktop is you can click on it and you can see what, hold up. Okay, cooktop. Now you can see what cooktop is on or what stove is on. So if you click it on, it comes on automatically in the app. Now, the best thing about this is if you went out to work or you went out to go shopping and something and you think you forgot to turn the stove on, if you think you forgot to turn the stove off, then right here in the app, it lets you know if you left it on or not. But the only thing is you have to come all the way back home to turn it off. So that's the only thing, but it's still like a safety thing. So that's pretty good as far as that goes. Now we're going to turn it off. And as you see on the app, it turns off. So it's pretty much accurate when it comes to that. But as far as turning off and on, you can't do it right there, especially on the top where it says off. It says cooking and it says one burner is on. But other than that, you cannot touch that. All right. Cooking, 2 burners on. So it'll let you know right there. And then it lets you know if all of them is off. All right. So that's pretty much it as far as the cooktop goes. Now let's go into the oven. Now, as far as the oven, you can go into your different modes. You got your bake mode, conventional bake, conventional roast, broil, keep warm, bread proof, and you have air fry and you have dehydrate. And basically you can click which one you want. This is basically a setting. So let's just say I want bake. I'll go back. And if I want to bake in, let's say 375, I could put it to 375. You just turn the wheel. I don't think you could set it digitally. Let's see. Okay, so you can go ahead and go and do this. This is easier right here instead of using that bar. So what you do is tap the temperature, like the actual temperature. So that 375, you tap that. All right, you go to cooking time, you tap that, and let's say I want to cook for like an hour and 30 minutes. I hit apply. Oven light, if you want your oven light on, you could turn it on. Obviously, you see the oven light just came on. I just turned it off. So you got on and off right there. And then you can go ahead and say send over, well, not say it, but right there, you can send this to oven. When you send it to oven, you actually have to turn it on at the oven. So that's like a safety thing, I believe. So I'm gonna hit send to oven. Send this to oven. All right, so it came on to oven right here. And it says send to oven, press the button on the oven to start. So you actually have to go to your oven and start it. So you could do all your settings on your phone, but to start it, that's how you start it. So that's the only way to start it, is to do it that way. Now, if you want to cancel, you can go ahead and cancel this. So hit cancel. It says cancel cooking. So if you hit start by accident, or if it don't cut off, you can hit cancel cooking, yes. So you can stop it from here, but you can't start it from here. Now, I don't know if that's a pro or con to some people. To some people, that might be a safety thing, like, oh, that's safe to be able to turn it off. To some people, it's like, well, why can you turn it off but not turn it on? You know, let's make sense of this. So some people might find that as a con. Some people might find it as a pro. Me personally, I might not even use this app. I'm gonna be honest. I might just go here like I usually do when I had a stove for many years, right? So me personally, I might not use the app. My wife, she might use the app. She might not use the app. Who knows? It's depending on how you feel at that time. If you feel like going to your phone to make settings, then it is what it is. Now, when you do your settings, you have to hit it in a certain amount of time or else it will go away. So if you're coming home from work, let's say you just want to go ahead and make your settings now, by the time you come home from work, this will be gone. Like, it will erase. So the setting thing is like, if you set it, you have to like do it. I'm not sure about the time limit, but let me go ahead and send to oven. All right, so I sent it to oven, and as I finalize my review, we'll see how long it takes for this to kick off, if it kicks off. All right, so we went over that. We went over the app. So basically, when it comes to the top part of your stove, you can't do nothing with the app. Like, the app only tells you if it's on or off. When it comes to your digital oven, the only thing you can do basically, all right, see, and it went off. So how long was that? Probably like 30 seconds. So if you do your settings from home, it will kick off. All right. So don't expect for you to make your settings, you come home and everything will be set and just hit start. So no, it kicks off. All right, so that was a good demonstration for y'all. Now, the last thing I want to say is that this is voice activated. You can use Google, you can use Alexa. Me, I mainly use Google because I have a Google phone. We do have our Echo Dot over here, Alexa, and all you have to do is say, Alexa, turn range on.
Okay, at what temperature?
350.
It looks like you need to re-enable remote start on your range to continue cooking.
So as she said, you have to hit remote start. So you got to do this remotely. So you actually have to hit start, and Alexa made the setting for you, but you still have to come over here and hit the start button. And remember, you still have that time to when the digital setting will go away. So using Alexa is like, you know, it's almost like, what's the point when I have a certain time limit to get to my oven to turn it off? So that's about it. I don't know if that's a pro or con to anybody. Once again, for me, it's not really a con because I'm not going to ask her to turn on the stove like that. I use her more for like lights or outlets and stuff like that. But as far as the stove, I'll probably just use everything right here. All right, you guys, so y'all let me know what y'all think. Is that a pro or con to y'all? Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Samsung gas stove. As a matter of fact, y'all let me know what gas stove y'all have, what smart gas stove y'all have, which one is the best one for y'all, if y'all tested out any. And maybe in the future, we might change it up, you guys. Who knows? My wife, she might want LG in the future or GE or something. So that will be it. Let me know y'all thoughts. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.